Yes, bitches, the vocals. Sean, let's start a little party. Where's the phone? Where's the phone?
Your phone's right here.
Oh no, but the phone is connected. Oh, come on. What's wrong with my phone? It's doing something. Tell my aunt to unlock it. Y'all like my book bag? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm going to school. Oh, and no lie, this song has to be the freakiest. I think this is the freakiest, nastiest song I ever did. But when I heard this beat, like, it's like, hoes in this house. It's just like, all I could think of is just freak nasty shit. And it's like, I feel like every female rapper got a super duper nasty freak nasty song. Maybe I took it overboard. Maybe I took it overboard with the nastiness, but it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if it's gonna be nasty, you might as well go. Woo! What the fuck was that? That shit came from my chest.